Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I am here with you with Embellishments on the 11th, where each month we gather our supplies and see what we can get out of our stash and make embellishments. So this month I had participated in a virtual scrapbooking retreat, and it was fabulous. It's listed in the description box if you want to check it out. But I had paper left over, and I am trying not to have paper left over. So I did what I could to use up that paper. So I did make some mini or micro traveler's notebooks, and here's a small size traveler's notebooks. It's not any particular size. It's just size of the scraps I had left. But when I was laminating the covers, I decided to laminate some of the stickers from the sticker sheet and use those as embellishments. So let's take you one by one, and this is apropos because you may hear the wind coming through my little RV. We're on the coast in Maine, and it is a gorgeous day, and I'm leaving the windows open and enjoying the fresh sea air. So this is just a laminated bookmark, and so is this. But I laminated this little piece that I'm using as a holder to put around the little traveler's notebooks. And then these are stickers I laminated, and I punched holes in them, and I used some split rings and just made just a little dangle just to decorate it. So yeah, I mean, simple enough, right? You just take extra stickers and put them in the area when you're doing your laminating of the area that is left over and you have nothing there. All right, now that's upside down. I have to figure out how to get that. Yay! I don't know why that happens. Here's another thing I did. I believe that Take a Hike was a sticker, and then I punched a 2-inch circle out of some plain paper, and I sandwiched them together. I didn't glue them or anything, but I laminated them one on top of the other. So now I cut around it, and I sort of cut the bottom where I opened it up, and I put a bunch of glue in there, and I put in a paper clip. Now you can't use you can't use art glitter glue because it changes the, it destroys the paper, it wets the paper, and you can see. You're better off using like a quick dry epoxy or maybe even crazy glue to put in the paper clip. But anyhow, isn't this fabulous? Now I've got a paper clip that I can put in junk journals, or I'm putting them in. I make these camping log books for people to record their campsites, and I sell that where I travel, but I'll add these in the order because it's something cool and fun and easy and uses up my leftovers. All right, here is another little piece that I punched on both sides. Isn't that cute? Lemonade. And here is, so that surfboard was a sticker from the sticker sheet, and I just like that. I thought it would be fun. And that little hat, and then there is a lemon there, and there is another lemon. And I'm experimenting with some seam binding. I'm not done experimenting. I need to sew, but I don't want to do that. And there's a little starfish, which was appropriate today because today we went and explored some tidal pools near Acadia. Not in Acadia, I was near it. We went in Acadia, but on the way back we stopped and saw all these beautiful starfish. They were orange, but not yellow. But anyhow. And here is this mini traveler's notebook. And this was simple. I just took a sticker of the flamingo and one that says sunshine and just put those in to be very simple. I'll show you what this traveler's notebook is. I did just a little folder so you can add things, and I use those composition books. I mean, this there's 1,000 of these tutorials on YouTube on how to use the mini composition notebooks. These ones came from Walmart, I think. It could have been Dollar Tree, I don't know. And you put them here in a traveler's notebook. These are an inch wide is the spine of this one. See, it's upside down again. If I go this way, there. All right, anyhow, so that is the embellishments I made for Embellishments on the 11th. Please check out all of the other crafty people. I'm sure they came up with more intriguing embellishments than these. I just was so excited that I was able to use my leftovers, and I had nothing left by the time I made all of the laminated. You do have to fussy cut around them after you're done, so it's not easy, but it's not difficult. It's not like layering and coloring like everybody else is probably going to do this month, but again, I used up my stash, and that made me so happy. So anyhow, thanks to Deb Hawk for hosting this collab, and go ahead and check out all of the other crafty people. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fabulous day.